Hey y'all, it's Ashley from I Have Plans for You. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my new fall Hobonichi Weeks sticker kits. So these are new to the shop, this whole style of the Hobonichi kits that fit inside of a Hobonichi Weeks. So this is my Hobonichi Weeks and these are the sticker sheet sizes. And I did my research and sized everything down to fit. And that's why this collection kind of took so long, because I was getting the dimensions. But of course, you can use these in any planner, just like you know how we always do. But I wanted to share these with you. So this one is called Football Season. So on the site, there'll be Hobonichi Weeks - Football Season, Azure Bloomlight, Bright Cozy Vibes, Autumn Enchantment. And Autumn Enchantment is the same. These illustrations are the same from the Autumn Enchantment stickers that I had before, but I just resized them and made them into a kit for you all for your Hobonichi Weeks. This is Antique Fall. So this is a conglomeration of the Antique Fall illustrations that I did last year, but I wanted to resize these down too because you all like those. And you all have been asking about the leopard pumpkins a lot. So I do have pumpkins already in larger sizes. They come in different colorways, but you all asked me to bring back these leopard pumpkins. And so I did in the Hobonichi Week set, and it's just a mix here of those plus the kind of plain pumpkins. And then I also have a soccer sheet. So this one is called Soccer Season. Let me know which kit is your favorite down in the comments. I do hand letter and hand draw all of the illustrations in my shop. And for all of my stickers, I do actually print and cut them myself as well. It takes so much effort and I love every step of the way. But because of that effort, your support means the world to me. If you stick tuned, then you will see a little sneak peek of my next video where I will be using one of these sticker sheets. So don't forget to like and subscribe. These stickers will be in the shop on Monday, September 8th. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.